Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing fabulous today. Big up, big up, big up. So today's video is sponsored by Myfirstwig. I will be reviewing this wig for you guys, and I'm just showing you all the little goodies that came in the package. Remember, leave a like on this video, and if you're new over here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, all the links will be in the description, so please check that out. So this is the wig, guys. As you can see, it's a short bob with a blonde highlights. It's a 13x6 lace frontal wig. I got mine in 10 inches and it's a 160% density hair wig. Now the lace, it's the invisible new air lace, so it's a very lightweight, it's very thin, and the unit also comes with this adjustable strap and these combs, so of course you can have the wig fitted to your head. I do love the highlights on it, but I also love that this can be worn glueless because it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, so it should be an easy installation. I also love the blunt cut bob. I love a blunt cut bob. So let's go ahead and get this unit installed, guys. So this is what the unit is looking like straight from the package. I love the deep parting space and it's bleached all the way through. And as I run my hand through the unit, it's so silky, so soft, and also so far I haven't experienced any shedding. So look at the parting space. It's bleached through and it's so deep, guys. So if you want to change the parting to a side part, you absolutely can. Before I lay down my lace, I like to go through, I love the parting space, guys. It looks so realistic. It just deep, it goes all the way back, so I love that. But anyway, what I'm doing now is I've used my wax stick and I'm also using my hot comb to comb it through just to get the top flat and ready for installation. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing that on both sides, and I'm also running that hot comb through the entirety of the unit. No shedding at all from this unit, no smell or anything like that. So far I'm loving the unit. I just want to see how it would look when I actually lay down the lace, so we'll get into that shortly. So now that I'm done with that process, it's the time to lay down the lace. But just looking at the lace, I already know it's going to be a good install because it's so thin. Again, it's the air lace, so top tier, and I'm using my ebony spray to just spray that down, and I'm working in sections. Once I spray, I usually like to go in with my blow dryer to kind of cool it down, and then I will go ahead and lay the lace firmly on top. Once I lay the lace down, I like to use my comb and comb through the hair just to make sure nothing is sticking together. And then I'm just cutting off the excess lace from the unit. Now, once I look on the unit, I want to make sure that my forehead looks realistic. I don't want to take in too much. So I think I'm going to cut off some more of the lace just to mimic my natural hairline. So I'm going to pluck all that excess hair that I took from the front and just kind of customize the wig to fit my forehead and my head a bit more. Now I think this looks a lot better, so I'm going to cut the excess lace that's left over, and then I'm going to melt the lace with my 𝐏𝐫𝐞 spray. So I'm just gently spraying that on the hairline, and then I'll immediately go in with my blow dryer to cool it down because I do not want it to lift the lace. I want it to melt the lace. So that's what I'm doing here. Now guys, it's time to flat iron the unit, and I love the sharp blunt cut bob, so I'm just running my flat iron through the unit and I'm kind of bobbing it to the end as I go, so it has that little bounce and a bob effect to the end of the unit. So that's really all that I am doing here. I just part it through in sections. I must say the hair is a very lush, it's soft, it's silky, but the density of it is perfect. It's not thin at all, very full, and yeah, very lush. As you guys can see there, I added a little baby hair to the unit, and finally I am going to brighten that parting space by using my concealer on it. And that's it for the installation, guys. So let's get into the final look. Guys, the bob is bobbing. Okay, so again, the hair, it's so full, and for a bob, I think the blunt cut on it is just perfect. The hair is so silky, as you guys can see, and let me give you a 360 bounce. The hair is so full even in the back, guys. So this is the back of the unit. Very full, very luscious, smooth, and just the luster of the back of the unit is just so good. I absolutely love and recommend this unit. The link will be in the description, so please go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much to Myfirstwig for sponsoring today's video. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.